Hi, today I want to show you how to install SageAttention on my RTX 4070. This will be a quick video. SageAttention is nothing new. I always want to install it, but when I did my research, I saw a lot of negative experience that it doesn't work at all, or sometimes it even breaks the comfy UI. So I thought there's no point to risk this for a little bit speed benefit. But this time I installed it not for speed benefit because I was trying a new workflow which required SAM3 segment. After I installed the custom node, I ran comfy UI and I can see it didn't work. If I look closely, I can see SAM3 segment saying no module Triton found. So that means I need to install Triton. And after a while, I found this GitHub page. So this one is install the SageAttention for the comfy UI portable. And this one also installed the Triton, you can see here. Before I install it, I make a backup of my portable comfy UI without the models because it's too large. Then I got the problem with the custom node fixed. Later on, I noticed all my LTX 2.3 generation has speed up a lot. So then I want to know what's going on. Then I took my old workflow from my older tutorial and ran it again. So I could see there's a lot of improvement here. Here, this is the time before SageAttention and Triton. And this one is after. It's reduced the time by 40%. But when I tried on VRAM 2.2, I didn't see any improvement. So then I go back to the site here. I read the instruction carefully so I can see. After you run the script, you should be able to see a new batch file here with SageAttention and use this to launch your comfy UI. Then you should be able to see something like use SageAttention in your terminal. After that, I ran VRAM 2.2 and compare the result. Actually, it does improve. You can see that's before and this is after. The time has reduced by over 30%. And I also tested on Crane 2511 and it has improved by 20%. So that's really good. I think it's worth to try. So if you have a portable version, make sure you back it up and run it. The requirement is Windows 10 or 11. So it's saying a lot of dependency here, what depend on the version, but it will detect everything automatically. So there's no worry. The only thing is you just need to put your portable version path here. Then it just did in few minutes. I think that's all about the installation of SageAttention and Triton. Make sure you back up your comfy UI portable version before you run anything. And also let me know whether you see any speed up in your generation compared to without SageAttention and Triton. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.